Alright, so here we go inside. This is slow and low. You add your seasonings in. Probably you want to put maybe some olive oil in there. Definitely want to go with some crushed minced garlic. I am shortcutting it, and depending upon your preference, 2 to 3 cloves I would imagine would be sufficient if that's the strength you're comfortable with. And I'm gonna put this on real light. Like I said, it's low and slow. Let it simmer up for your crab gravy. Add the seasonings that you want. But for me, my base is going to be tomato, basil, garlic, a little bit of oil. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some crab in, cover it, and I'm going to let it cook, let it simmer. And because it's going to be low and slow, I'm not real sure what the timeline is going to be on this, but it's a Sunday morning. I got nowhere to be, so what I do know is once these crabs turn red, just like if I were steaming them to chow on, that's when I can go. I'll be comfortable enough to go ahead and take them out of this gravy and see what we have by way of some crab flavored gravy. I have I have a baker's dozen here of crab I'm going to put in. Pinchers and all. I have cleaned them, as you saw. And that's my preferred method. I think that's what you're going to find is going to work best in order to get your crab meat to release and your flavor to release into your gravy that you're looking for. These are fresh caught Jersey blue crabs, caught yesterday or the day before. Yesterday may not mean anything to you. The day before today. So I think I got let's see, got about 8 crabs in here. If I can get these other ones covered, I'm gonna throw them in here, see if I can see what I can fit. More the better. Oops, I forgot a bottom on that one. Take that out of there. Alrighty. This one, more Big Jimmy in here and get him covered in the. It's time to take a little peek here. Got the smells all throughout the house. I hear it simmering. So let's see what we got going on here. Give it a little stir. Maybe I need something a little different here. Get the hot gravy up off this. We got some time to go. Although some of these are nice and red. I think we still got some time to go for sure. So we're going to keep them going as we rotate it around a little bit. It's been just about an hour at this point. Moving around. Try to stir our sauce up some. Keep our seasonings evenly distributed. There's a couple nice ones in here, nice size ones too. We'll let these go for some more time. Low. and slow. Low temp, slow cook. Yeah, see, they need to definitely need more heat on them, more time anyway. Not much by way of heat, but definitely want more time so that. Ooh, be careful, folks. It is hot. So I'll make sure these are done. I'll let them go. So they keep cooking. You can already tell the juices have come down into this gravy. Yeah. This is gonna be real good. Really good. Alright, gonna put the lid back on, so stay tuned, folks. We'll check on them again later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and like if you're into this type of content so we can continue to bring it to you. Hit that bell so you'll be notified when we upload new content. Crabbin N Fishin. Looking like we're just about there. It smells amazing. Absolutely amazing. It's been just about 2 hours simmering. See the beautiful red coloring on the crab. I think this is going to be outstanding. I'm going to give it about another 20 minutes. And I'm going to pull a crab. Stir the gravy a little more. Give it a little taste test.